Hi, everyone, and welcome to Steel Cod Spotlight, where we get real insights from experts in and around the appliance industry. Today, we're joined by Jiji Mathew, who is the CEO and founder of Vezeni. Jiji, thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
So, we like to start every show by getting to know our guests a little better. So, if you please tell us about yourself and specifically how you got into appliances.
Well, I have been a real estate developer for the past 25 years. We build very high-end homes. So it's always in my mind that kitchen, since the kitchen and the baths are the main factors of the house, how can I improvise that? So we started experimenting, multiple things and finally end up with appliances. We very customized appliances and putting into these homes, and people and the buyers started loving it. So I thought, I could make a business out of it. That's a true story about it. That's how it's all started.
Wow, what a great entrance into that. So when I was selling appliances, I was in the Boston area selling in high-end kitchens the same way. So you were actually developing the homes and saw appliances are a key. What a great kind of keep your ear to the ground, see where opportunities are, that entrepreneurial spirit. So that's great to hear. So I'm excited to learn more as time goes on in this interview. So Jiji,
Thank you.
with Steel Cod Spotlight, we like to talk to individual audiences that appliances are important for. And we're going to bring in the appliance pros. So appliance pros, that's delivery, install, service. These are the folks where the rubber really meets the road. Appliances are arriving in the home at this time, or this is the after sales support team. So this is really who's interacting with the customers long after the sale. So being an emerging brand, the question is for servicers. So I'm an appliance servicer, and I'm called on this appliance. What sort of support is Vezeni offering for appliance servicers in the field?
We are available to talk to them 24/7. Even if they have any questions about the product, they can call me. They can call any of our staffs in the warehouse staff. They are well trained. They have all the answers and they are well aware of all the spare parts available. So they can call us if they have any questions. Small, large, doesn't matter. We are there for them.
So if a servicer calls the number, they're talking with a Vezeni employee, not necessarily a third party.
No, it's good. It will be only third party if it is far away from us.
Oh, okay.
They will talk to a third party first, but they can call us if they have any questions.
That's great.
Directly.
So they have support, and support people are well established in the product. They can help the servicer.
Exactly. Well, and then if there is something need to be given to the servicer, then this is something small. We can guide through them small stuff. Otherwise, it'll go to the service provider, and they are well trained as well. The service providers are well trained as well.
That's excellent. And that's really what you want to hear to supporting the product. And what about parts? How difficult is it to get parts?
We have an entire product line. We have 10% of the parts we keep in-house. It's very rare that we run out of parts. And if we don't have them, we get them in the next 10 days or something.
That's huge to know too, especially for the consumer that,
Yes.
especially if the holidays are approaching or anything that they need to know. If a servicer comes in and says, we need a part for this, they have a number to call and the part is getting to them ASAP. That's excellent for support.
Thank you.
Now, in terms of installers, we also have installers in the room. What sort of things are you seeing out there in terms of installing your appliances? Is there anything that they should know?
It's interesting. We have a couple of very good installers. They do multi-families in a larger apartment. We get comments, man, this is one of the easiest appliances that they ever installed. So easy, well instructions. And yes, this has come from one of the Grand Appliances and TVs, one of our major supporters. They have 30 stores. They sell a lot of products for us, one of the best company to deal with. And they have installers. They call us, wow, this is a very positive comments. It's so easy to install. The instructions are very well. And if they have any questions, they call us. We talk to them directly. Even we send somebody to if it's close enough, we send somebody to their, other end customer's home. So these are the things that we do different than other companies out there.
That's huge. And to hear from the install community that they find your appliances easy to install. This is not a community that is shy to let you know how they feel. That is excellent feedback to get. That's great. So Jiji, before you go, we have 3 final questions for you. So our first question for you is, what is your dream appliance, whether it's one you've had in the past, one you have now, or one you hope to have in the future?
Well, before my business, I had a very good 48-inch stove. I'm not going to name them, very high-end, high brand. Had some issues, but then when I started my own product, that's what I have in my kitchen. I mean, that's one of the best products I've ever had.
So you're very happy with your Vezeni 48-inch range. Is that
Exactly.
one of the models with the wok burner?
Yes, that's the one with every product that before introduced to market, I keep in my kitchen. I test them for a year or year and a half before even we sell to the customer. So we test it even in the warehouse as well. We have testing. We do it for a year. Even we have new lines coming out. It's in the testing for the last 8-9 months. So we're going to introduce that in the spring. So it's been on the test for like 8 to 9 months. Even we have a new dishwasher. I mean, washing stuff coming in. This has been in test. All the new products, all the products that we're going to introduce in 2027 is also going under testing now. So
That's great.
we make
So
sure. Yes.
in your range, in your 48-inch range, what's your favorite feature?
I think aesthetics, the lights and the knob is so beautiful. I'm not I cook all the time, but
Yeah.
it's so beautiful to see at night, to be very honest with you. Other than it's made phenomenal cooking. I mean, wok burners, awesome. And oven is awesome. But the look of it, it's just amazing. And every day I look at it, I say, wow, this is a good stuff. That's the same reaction we get from the consumers as well. Well, this looks very nice, something unique, something nice, quality. That's what makes me happy.
That's a great answer. And that's really important. That should not be underplayed. The aesthetics are huge for these appliances.
Very
So
much
that's
so.
awesome. So my next question for you is, what is the best professional advice you have ever received?
This is probably apart from my the appliance business, but I implement this in the appliance business or any business that I do. When I was a young builder in the Bay Area, I had a mentor. He said, just don't build anything for you. Just build for the consumer. Keep the consumer in your mind. You will be successful. You will build a great product. Whatever you build. So I always think about that, and that is my theory. That's what I do. That's what I follow by.
That's a great
Always
tip.
build things for the consumer, and think about how easy for them, how durable it is. Think about from a consumer standpoint. What questions, what problems can come, sort it out, so you create a beautiful product. That's my personal opinion.
That's huge. So let's take a moment now. And actually, you mentioned to a few of our audiences about in 2026, the new business relationships that are coming. Can you tell us a little more about that?
Yes. Like I said, this company called Janska, Sweden. They are currently they're in big box stores. They do a pretty good amount of business. Very, very well good quality that I see out there in the e-com arena. And I know he's one of my good friends. He's my friend for the last 25 years. So he's the only person that I know that same thought process. How do we build this? How quality, how the consumer. So in the last 6 months, we thought, hey, why not we do this together? You are completely doing a different line of product, European line. Why don't we do it together? It's going to make a big company, for the consumer, it'll be a great advantage. They don't have to go anywhere else to look for a European style or American style or anything else. We have everything within our company. And Janska is mainly focusing on European style high-end appliances. It'll be very ultra-modern product.
That's very exciting. I really look forward to learning more about that, seeing more about the offerings as the companies work together. So I think that's really exciting for incoming in 2026. All right. So my last question for you is, how can people follow or connect with you online?
As you know, Vezeni.com or at Vezeni Home is our Instagram, and all of the handles at Vezeni Home.
Great. And we're putting that all in the footer right here so people can see where to follow you. So Jiji, thank you so much for your time today. Really appreciate your thoughts and your insights, and very excited about to see where Vezeni goes in the coming years. So thank you for joining us today. And thank you for watching us on this episode of Steel Cod Spotlight. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.